another video. And today, we will actually make a functional oven in Universe Sandbox. I know, it sounds crazy, but we're gonna make an oven. And this is actually my last oven save. This was my last oven yesterday. Yeah, yesterday I did that. I'm not gonna use that oven. That is all last news. It's 9 in the morning, I'm not there. I don't drive. It's actually 11:13. You won't see this until like the 22nd. Like, you won't see this till the 22nd, so I'm planning this like a week ahead, so. It's a lot earlier, so. If there's anything like a really big snowstorm or something, I'm not gonna be able to record of it because, well, I wasn't awake. And also, oh, we have to blow that. Let's just blow that out. We have a sun, obviously. How are we gonna cook this thing? So we're gonna use the sun as an example, okay? Now we're actually gonna need to make this oven, okay? We're gonna make it density higher. We need to make sure, okay? We need to make sure it's by the density. So we're actually gonna lock the mass, but it's gonna be small. We're gonna make this down to Earth size because who doesn't want an oven? Now we gotta fix this. Nobody has a 10,000 degree oven. So we're gonna to the default oven at a 375, which is now. We need to turn off this gun. Don't turn off gravity, but we need gravity. Temperature just so it cooks, and then we need gravity. We kind of gravity, because if we don't have gravity, you don't have any. So now we have a really cold off. We're gonna set the room temperature because we already thought it. Well, actually, I'm not doing my least favorite thing, so. We'll do chicken 375 degrees. That's all we can set it to. Now, we need to make sure this minute. Let's also make sure this is minute 0 just to cure the deal. So now that we have this, this thing obviously needs to cook, so it's gotta rotate to cook. That's just so we don't get microwaves. So now we have our oven. We need to track the chicken's temperature. And then we have this now. It's like minute per second. It makes no other sense to me. Chicken wasn't on position lock. Where is chicken? Dude, where is chicken? Okay, I think we found the first chicken. Let's just reset that. We need our chicken back. Get the chicken. Oh, yeah. Where's beef? That is no. Yeah, this one's chicken dead. I think. You know what? You make sure position lock it, or else your chicken's gonna be gone like that. So we make sure we position lock it. It is the most annoying thing ever, but we have to do it. 2 milliseconds. Please, we want it to. Or we thought, let's double the heating speed. That's it. So that's literally how you make a chicken. And see, the chicken is heating. What the heck? Why is it not working? I swear I heated this chicken. I swear. Huh? Heating? It doesn't take me. It takes longer. Want louder? I don't know if it's louder. I don't know what it is. So I'm just go quick to the microphone. I'm sorry. And that makes it good. I don't know. This is probably way too loud, so I'm gonna do. So far we have a little bit of a slow cook. It's actually 10 to 10. So we just get double. I'll have to sit around. It's been cooking for 1.9 hours. So now that it's been cooking for a bit, we can actually get it psychedelic 1.1. That is no hour. Did it cook off anything? I don't think these lights are new. It is starting to get little pockets. If you really think about the light pollution, I think I can actually see. No, I can hit. It's not. I should tell you, it is not white. Okay, I just used it so much like in Seattle or something. Why so much El Paso, dude? It has to be bigger than that. There's nothing bigger. That's kind of weird. This chicken's still too hot. But too cold. So I just had maybe a small thing would do the trick. Also, let's turn this on. Ooh! All the ice out. Name it chicken. 2 like stuff. Graph. Gotta make it quick. That's it. Now it even cooks. And now this can hold a lot of these chickens. Oh, I think we need a bigger oven here. Where is me? Big oven. What? The heck is cooked. I mean, it's really cooked. I'm not just like, oh no, the chicken. I about that. What? We still have to burn it. 500 degrees at 12.67 hours. This is the household oven. 170. So I have to show what butcher. Now we have a household oven. We need a big boy. Big oven. A tiny. Okay. Theoretically, we'll do this one chicken. Because honestly, you probably only eat this one chicken. But what about tiny chickens? I did not think the chickens. Okay. What if we cook something that's few planets? We could try to cook those. I mean, we can't. Oh, Titan! That will burn away the atmosphere. Titan, I just want the atmosphere bomb. That's it. Titan, we need atmosphere bomb. Like, we whole atmosphere bomb. Because it is. Wow. Thawing this thing out was a good idea. Now, we make this thing rotate. We'll go, like, if we make this rotate every 200 days. See, it's like quick. That is like you can go before it just starts like go up. This will actually rotate quick enough where we can actually get an even seal exploding. I think that's it. We get another chicken. Now we need to move the chicken south. Why is the chicken so much longer than the other? Now we have this. That's almost in the middle. We add it. It's warped actually. The oven cooked. But the oven is actually cooking it away. Dude, I swear you can make an oven in this game. I did it last night. Maybe I'll go to my last chicken save, because honestly, this is good. 5 degrees. No, 20 hours, so I know what settings I put the chicken on. What if we boil the atmosphere? What if we just take this atmosphere, all this thickness, and then boil it? It's gone. Basically. Now, why? Yes, dude. It's getting. Oh no, it's not really cooking. I'm sorry, I actually cooked for 1.3 hours. Sorry. That's it. That's all I can do, honestly. This chicken is just. These are not gonna cook it. We need a bigger one. Or like a more powerful one. Oh, it's black, dude. The earth still has its lights on. Okay, we'll save this actually, though. If we save it, it should be able to save. So let's go with oven 2.0. We need a grand oven. So let's go to my last oven. I cooked these ovens. So these are chickens I don't know where the oven went. It's actually only a. Let's see. Did I get these chickens cooked? No, what a differently this was at. I just did general stuff. I just made it denser. I didn't make the oven bigger. Need that. It played a role, but like. I didn't. It's a rotational period, but oh yeah, there's that. It's raw. Like something's completely raw at 7.5 degrees. So over 500. Yeah, that's not gonna work for anything. Please, it's good. Now since this oven is not as big, I just need the oven. But that we need an industrial one. Because all the lights are going towards the chicken. They're all in power. So like 800 degrees. I think it's like 900 degrees for like an oven, so 850 or something. So it's like a pizza ovens are hot, which are very bright, dude. Pizza oven raging at 850 degrees with the radius of wind. So a pizza oven is a lot hotter. I still see anything? No, maybe actually started to heat up, dude. An actual candle, dude. Wait, we can use a candle to heat this up. We're gonna use this, however. This thing is not very bright. It's not going to provide much light. Pizza ovens are not that big. They're pretty small actually. So pizza oven. Now that we have a pizza oven, we are going to take this. So we just installed the oven. Okay, let's actually add a pizza, dude. Just pizzas. We're going to put in pizzas. So we're going to make a pizza. I don't know how long to cook pizzas for. I think like 30 minutes usually. For a minute. I've seen people cook pizzas. Wait, why is it orbiting? But if it's still, it can't do any of that. It's a quick oven, dude. And now that we have a pizza, frozen type, pizza. Love some pizza. What did I do? And also, why did it happen, dude? The pizza. What happened to the pizza? Pizza, right? Pizza. I need the pizza. This dude, I don't know. Can I just cook this anyway? Let's just orbit a pizza. Let's just make a bunch of pizzas. Can you cook something? Maybe from not actually cooking it, just making like a to the oven. Okay, so we actually don't need anything for this one. We can actually just use normal oven. Name this oven. It's gonna be kind of hot, dude. So it's gonna give us enough light. I can see it. It's like a bright red door. Right. Okay. Back to density. Look, it's small. Like or small. How is a very bright oven and a very enthusiastic oven? Enthusiastic oven. Enthusiastic. I don't know what that means. Okay, we can actually fit them up. But we can fit them all in here. So, see if we orbit. So we can't actually see what it is. We can cook back here, dude. So we're gonna see if we can cook something not too close to its rational distance. Because if we do that, and as the chase begins with a nice little cooking show in the cook. It exploded! Oh, I think that Moku just exploded. I swear, dude, the oven is not. I don't know what happened, dude. It looks like Moku stopped. It's still fine, even though it's like that. Don't orbit. Finally. Oh, it's rational. It's destroying it. The oven. That is actually kind of sick, Loki. Oh, that's it. Wait, I'm actually doing something really cool. You might the system. I mean, an oven. We just roasted it. But that is so cool. Wait, let's play this. Oh! It's like the pop location universe now. That is sick. Let's turn on to this. I want to just get this. This is not cool. That just looks like something. Actually, I want to see how big is this compared to the sun. Like, how big is this actual power, dude? How big is this glow? Like, I want to see. How big is this glow? Oh. Way bigger than Mercury. What about, like, the dude? That's way small, obviously. What about Spicer? Yeah, Spicer, dude. Spicer, dude. It has the same brightness as the sun. But Spicer is the actual size of it. Like, let's try to just... I might just give you a run out of this, dude. Oh. Everything is just like going up. Like, you can see like everything feeding out now that we're moving so quick. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Now, really hard. Dude, look at that, dude. Eventually, I'll just consume all this dust and ash. Can I actually see it, dude? Let's see. Can we see? Oh my, that is the coolest thing ever. Set this picture up right now. Desktop background. This is actually, I'm not even kidding. Wait, can I save this? I'm saving this. We're saving this. We are saving this picture. Oh, yeah. Oh, we're saving, dude. That is the greatest picture of all time. I'm setting that as my background, dude. I can just go into AI, remove all that, and that, and then we're done. Like, we're literally good. And then we have remove that, and then we're literally good, dude. That would be insane as a picture, dude. That would be insane as a picture, dude. I'm just shut up. Like, actually, I'm gonna put this mic. Pause it. Now let's just see. That skyline is slowly disappearing. I'm just gonna need lighter and actually, this is what it would look like without a face from us. Oh, distance. Wow, that is crazy. Look at all that dust and ash. You see that? Some of it's disappearing this time. I'm just gonna speed this up, dude. So it looks like all that rock in the background just spun and now was. See all that gas spun out? It's made like a nebula with all that gas on the outside. It's not hard, but this will just stay forever and ever. So let's just kind of stop it. So it looks like it's making cosmic nebulas now. It's making like nebulas. Because what was that old dust, dude? I can't see it anymore. I mean a nebula. I'm not even kidding. I mean a nebula. Bigger than spice. Bigger? Deep? Okay, that's big. Wide. It's about big as wide. That's big. It's expanding. But it's like a nebula almost. I don't even know how else to describe it. So all the excess gas is literally just ran off. And now all the gas is slowly secluding. Oh, look at all the fragments pushing down. Like, I'm not kidding. Oh, it's pushing out. It's pushing. Cool, dude. It's pushing out. Now you still have this ring of doom, and I don't think it's gonna go away. See all the gases like going up because it doesn't. It's going to take like these because it had all these gases in it before, but now it's. That's right. So this thing say. So this says that's bigger than Elijah, bigger, and then what about Stevenson, dude? Stevenson. Okay, it's been Stevenson. What I'm saying, that's about that size, dude. Now it's about that size, and nebula is decreasing. Or it's just spewing out, dude. Look at all that power, dude. It's just spewing, and it's hard up into the disc. It's literally just a disc. But this still just gonna stay here forever because this is all the last gas left. But this is gonna have to stay here forever because if it's just kind of have to be here forever because these are just early now. So that's why the last like gas is like now. I mean that's a cool car. It's like candy corn. Why candy corn? I mean how big is this thing? Like this candy corn nebula. The candy corn nebula is the size of Stevenson 218, dude. I mean the candy corn nebula. The candy corn nebula. All these lines of dust in the back, and like it's because these are honestly dead, but you can kind of like now, yeah, it's not as extreme, but it's still pretty bad. Oh, I think that one right there, that is the magnet. I mean, some of the stuff thawed it. It is extremely powering. That over there is extremely overpowered. How far is that one? Yeah, that's it, dude. If you liked the video, like and subscribe, and I'm out.